Okay, sweetie, go change into your pajamas. Okay, Mom. Actually, I think I'm gonna wear these. Okay. Okay, Mom, I'm done. Sit in the living room and wait for me. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear these. Actually, I'm gonna wear these. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the news. Okay. Attention, people. We will be having an extreme blizzard / snowstorm, and I recommend you guys close all windows, lock all windows, close all doors, lock all doors, and last but not least, bring all the necessities you need, like flashlights, food, and water. This snowstorm will be very serious, so make sure you have all those things. Especially light, because the lights may go out some point in the blizzard. Thank you for watching the Denver News in Colorado. Have a great day. Oh my God, sweetie, it's already snowing outside. Yeah, we need to get all those stuff. You go get food, and I will go get all of the flashlights and all that stuff. Okay. Okay, we need to get food and like water. So let me go get that. Okay, let me go look in the refrigerator. Okay, let me go get all the other things. Okay, so why all we have in the freezer is popsicles. Okay, I guess I'll just close that. Gonna get some cheesy bot. Mom, can we cook meat? Yes, we can. Okay, so maybe we should get the steak and the dead fish. Okay, open that. Let that cook. I'm gonna put that up there. Ooh, what's in here? We will definitely be taking that. Oh, we need water. Okay, let me check on this. Maybe a little more. In here. Ooh, we have some good drinks. We'll take a strawberry milk. Mom, what drink do you want? Can I just have a white milk? Sure. Okay. That should be good. Where are we hiding out? We're gonna hide out under my bed. Or on top of it, maybe. I don't know. Okay. Well, I just cooked the meat and the fish, and I also got some good stuff. Okay, just put all of it on the floor or on the table, okay? Sweetie, yeah? Can you get the sodas too? Okay. Okay. We're gonna